And the last thing I have to show you today is the Moisturizing Glove and Sock Set. Now this is not, if you're actually looking at the Campaign 2 brochure, these aren't in the brochure, these are in our separate sale flyer. But it's just a nice set of soft gloves and socks, or like little booties. And you can use these when you put moisturizer on your hands or your feet, especially at night. But I like them because I can moisturize my hands and my feet and then kind of go about my day a little bit. There's some things obviously you wouldn't be able to do if you're like me and you lose like the ability to do certain things when you've got gloves on. But you can put your moisturizer, your heavy creams that you like to put on your hands and your feet, you can put those on, slip the little socks on, slip the little gloves on, and especially at night, it helps seal that moisture into your hands and helps more of it absorb in rather than rubbing off, especially on the floor if you're up walking around. So that is the Moisturizing Glove and Sock Set that's in the little sale flyer in Campaign 2.